want to discover more new talents, put it into the projects, and then to only start projects that can travel across the world. The C stands for camp. Okay, camp 144 hours. They went to jungle, they have seen this news, they went to jungle, they wanted to look for the aircraft, to take pictures or whatever.
I would like to watch movie. I think I want to get behind of how the movie come together.
Hello guys, my name is Aldino bin Abdullah and I'm from JB. I'm Malaysian and I'm taking diploma in mass communications and I'm studying at MDIS College. First benefits for these events, for these closing things is that I got a lot of knowledge and there's a lot of things that I don't know. First of all, after you showing up all these things, and after that I know what is the content of the movie, what is the productions and how the movie can affect and influence others. Reactions toward the trailer is so nice and it's so good, and I didn't even expect that trailer will be so damn nice, and I wish that movie also will be nice as a trailer. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Prarina. I'm from Kulai. I'm a mass comm student in MDIS Malaysia. So for the talk that they have spoken earlier, in my courses I've only known about the facts about broadcasting and also film in theoretical form. But today from the talk itself, I've got a lot of experience and exposure towards film and how it's being taken, and also how they're producing the post and the production and also the pre-production. It was a very good talk and I gained a lot of experience and knowledge about how a film is being made and also being broadcast to not only to the local, also to the international level as well. And as for the trailer just now, I've reviewed the trailer. It was very good, it was very fantastic, and also I wish that a lot of gate of opportunities and success will be opened as more the years go, and also I wish them a very good luck so the movie will become more successful and reach greater heights.
Nazura Arifin, I am one of the lecturers from the School of Mass Communications in MDIS College. I think these types of workshop are benefiting all of the students, especially to expose them with the few subject related, such as we have the TV and productions and also the structured broadcast media, and part of it, those covering chapters that gives them in-depth knowledge about the certain film production cycles, and as well they could develop more and to improve how is their understanding in the broadcasting industry together with their filmings. So I will encourage more of this kind of workshops or any trainings to give them more opportunity learning more on the broadcasting.